How does zip actually work? Ever downloaded a file online and it ends in .zip? You might think it's some kind of alien language computers speak, but fear not. Zip files are actually everyday heroes, quietly working behind the scenes to make your digital life easier. But how exactly do they work their magic? Let's crack open the code and see what's inside. Imagine you're packing for a trip. You throw everything in a giant suitcase, clothes, toiletries, the whole shebang. It might work, but it's not exactly efficient. What if you could shrink down all your stuff to save space? That's essentially what a zip file does for your computer. Think of a zip file as a super efficient suitcase. It can hold multiple files and folders, just like your clothes and toiletries. But here's the cool part, it uses compression to shrink down the size of those files. This compression is like a digital Marie Kondo, ruthlessly decluttering your data. It identifies repetitive patterns within files and replaces them with shorter codes. For example, imagine a document that says the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog 10 times over. A zip program might recognize the repetition and store the sentence just once, along with instructions to repeat it 10 times when you unzip the file. There are different compression techniques, but a common one is called deflate. It's like having a superpowered vacuum cleaner that sucks out all the redundancy from your files. This can significantly reduce their size, making them easier to store, share, and download. But here's the key, zip compression is lossless. Unlike image or video compression, which might discard some data for smaller file sizes, zip keeps everything intact. When you unzip a file, you get back the exact original data, just like unpacking your perfectly organized suitcase reveals all your neatly folded clothes. Zip files offer several benefits beyond just saving space. They make it easier to organize your files. Imagine having a bunch of loose papers flying around your desk versus having them all neatly bundled together. Zip files are also great for sharing multiple files at once. Instead of sending 10 separate emails, you can zip them all up and send one neat package. Now, zip isn't the only compression game in town. There are other archive formats like RAR or 7Z, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. But zip remains a popular choice because it's widely supported by almost every operating system and software program. It's the universal translator of the compressed file world. Using a zip file is as easy as pie. Most operating systems have built-in tools to zip and unzip files. You can also download free third-party software that offers additional features like password protection or encryption for your zip files. So, the next time you encounter a .zip file, don't be intimidated. It's just a clever way to organize, shrink, and share your digital belongings. With a little zip know-how, you can become a master of managing your computer's storage space and streamline your digital workflow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.